Story 18. A hermit, having been invited by a Padshaw, concluded that if he were to take some medicine to make himself weak, he might perhaps enhance the opinion of the Padshaw regarding his merits. But it is related that the medicine was lethal, so that when he partook of it, he died. Who appeared to thee, all marrow, like a pistachio, was but skin upon skin like an onion. Devotees with their face towards the world say their prayers, with their back to the Qibla. When a worshipper calls upon his God, he must know no one besides God. Now, don't take this too literally, you still follow the outer commandment, but you realize the outer commandment is the means, not the it. And I've talked about, I'm releasing a program on, well, some programs on talismans. And while the talisman, it becomes an amulet or charm, aka shirt, when you start to think that it's going to do stuff for you, rather than, hey, I am doing this, I am bringing out this stuff that's not just these external things here.